To enable block backward redirection feature on the Internet app on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open Samsung Internet app. Tap the three horizontal line icon at the bottom right. And then tap privacy. Scroll down the screen. Next, tap the gray on option next to block backward redirection until the switch turns blue to turn it on. When this option is on, your phone will prevent website from taking you to a website you didn't visit when you press the back key. Tap block backward redirection. If any, all redirection that had been blocked will be displayed here. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.